Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to clear browser history on Windows. Perfect if you want to keep your browsing private or free up some space on your PC. We'll go step by step to clear your history in Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, two of the most popular browsers, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's start with Microsoft Edge. Open Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner and select History. On the History page, click the three dots again, then choose Open History Page. At the top, you'll see Delete Browsing Data. Click it. In the window that pops up, set the time range to Last Hour or All Time, check Browsing History, and click Clear Now. Now for Google Chrome, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and select History. Click Delete Browsing Data on the left. Choose All Time. Check Browsing History, and hit Delete Data. If you use other browsers like Firefox, the steps are similar, just look for History in the menu. One tip, if you don't want to accidentally clear saved passwords, double-check the boxes before clearing. You don't want to lose those. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which browser you cleared. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.